Setting up SuiteDash for online booking and scheduling can be a game changer for your business, and in this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the essential steps to get started. If you're looking for an efficient way to manage appointments, simplify scheduling, and streamline your workflow, you're in the right place. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage SuiteDash's tools to automate the process and improve client interaction. First things first, let's dive into the setup process. After logging into your SuiteDash account, head over to the Appointments tab in the navigation menu. This is where you can set up your booking system and configure everything from available time slots to service types. When setting up your calendar, it's important to customize your working hours so clients can only book during those times, avoiding overlaps and cancellations. You'll also be able to set specific availability for each team member if you have a larger operation. Next, set up the services you offer. This allows clients to book appointments for specific types of sessions. Whether it's consultations, meetings, or events, each service can have its own duration and price. You'll want to make sure these are clearly defined so clients know exactly what they're booking. Plus, the system will allow you to set different price points for services, which helps you manage your business more effectively. The third thing you need to do is integrate your calendar with SuiteDash's booking platform. If you already use a calendar service like Google Calendar or Outlook, you can easily sync it with SuiteDash. This ensures that all your appointments are consolidated in one place and that your availability is always up to date. It also helps to prevent double bookings and conflicting appointments. You can customize the integration settings to make sure everything works seamlessly with your current system. Now, let's talk about payment. SuiteDash offers integration with payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, which makes it easy to collect payments directly through the booking process. When clients book, you can automatically send them an invoice for payment, making the whole process smoother. This saves you the hassle of manually following up on payments and improves your cash flow. The fifth thing to consider is automating reminders. SuiteDash allows you to set up automatic email and SMS reminders, which reduces no-shows and late cancellations. You can schedule reminders at intervals before the appointment, making sure your clients never forget. This feature can be a real time saver, as it also ensures your calendar stays as accurate as possible. Lastly, let's talk about customization. While SuiteDash offers a lot of great tools, it's important to make the system feel like your own. The platform allows you to adjust branding, such as adding your logo and colors to the booking page. You can also include custom fields for client intake, ensuring you gather all the necessary information before the meeting. That's it for setting up SuiteDash for online booking and scheduling. It's a powerful tool, but as with any software, there are some limitations. If you're looking for a more tailored booking experience, or if SuiteDash's features feel a bit overwhelming, there are other options out there that might be a better fit for your needs. I've included links to these alternatives in the description, each with its own extended free trial. These tools offer streamlined booking and scheduling solutions that might be a better match for your specific business needs. By using the link in the description, you'll get access to exclusive benefits and the best trial offers available, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.